I'm Ira. I love to dance. I love to sing. I love dressing up and pretend like a model. I love living my life to the fullest. And most of all, I love to laugh a lot. Welcome to my life. I've been thinking lately of cutting my hair because it's getting summer already and my hair is also getting longer, and the more it's getting longer, the more time that I have to spend in maintaining my hair. I have to iron it, I have to really blow dry properly so it will look good. As a mom, I don't have that much time to fix my hair every day, so I have decided to cut my hair. But I also have second thoughts because cutting hair in Japan is very expensive. But I don't want to also do a DIY cutting hair because as what I have done on the past year, yeah, I have put it in one of my videos. I failed in cutting my own hair and I'm never gonna do that again. So I am just thinking on the brighter side, wherein if I cut my hair now, there will be less time. I can save time to maintain my hair, to take care of my hair, and I can also save shampoo, conditioner in the future days. Let's do a reservation. They have their different types of services where you can choose from, and once you have decided, you can just choose when and what time you want the service to be done. Input some information and there you go. It's done.
You make me wanting and searching for something that I do not possess. All I can see through the mirrors, nothing but big old crap. Oh,
Cut and
Straight part,
yes,
right?
yeah. I want to cut it first.
This much.
Yes,
Okay.
and after cutting, I want it to be straight.
something new. Oh, just like
Yes, please. Thank
You need
you.
back?
I have Ziploc.
Oh, you have a Ziploc?
Yes,
Good.
I brought Ziploc already.
carry me, only me alone. I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be, hey, 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 just wanna be, do-do-do-do-do. I just wanna be, hey, hey. Whenever I look at someone, all I see the things I don't have, and it makes me wanna hide it. See the light again. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new.
I like it. My second shower after I had my haircut and my straightening. It took me 2 days to wash before I wash my hair because that's what I was told. And I did the haircut first because my hair was very long and it might cost a lot of money if I straighten it that long, that length. So I cut it, and once my hair is cut, it's naturally wavy, so it will create volume and different directions when it waves. So I have decided to somehow straighten it. Since my hair was bleached, I was told that I was told that I shouldn't put too much chemical on the bleached part. So what the hairdresser did was he just put less chemicals on this part. Yes, to avoid too much damage on my hair. I feel so light with this hairstyle now because I didn't need to take too much time in washing my hair and also in blow drying it. Yes, there's only one part that I am worried about because this part here will really fly away, but maybe my hair is really naughty. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, my hair will really have its own directions. But what matters is I feel so clean now, and I can save much time and much shampoo and hair conditioner. So I want to get this chance to say thank you to my English hairdresser. I'm so lucky to have found an English hairdresser because when I went to that hair salon, I really had no idea yet of what kind of hairstyle should I do. And then we had a discussion, and he cares about what will happen to my hair if ever I will straighten it. So yeah, we had a discussion, and I am so thankful because he's not like the other hairdressers who only care about the money. He cares about his customers, so he's really so honest in telling me of what will be the consequences when I straighten my bleached hair and stuff. Yeah, so thank you so much. I feel so happy with this hairstyle now, and I feel so fresh as well. If you can remember, I brought home with me the hair that was cut, yeah. I put it in a Ziploc, and I'm planning to donate my hair in a non-profit organization here in Japan. They have that kind of hair donation for those people whose age is 18 years old and below. Their goal is to help those children to have their wigs. They will accept hair even if the hair is bleached or colored, as long as it's not too damaged and it's not too brittle. And I am not sure if my hair could pass, but I want to try to donate it, and maybe I will do a separate vlog about that. I hope you guys like my hair, and I'm gonna show you a 360 degrees look of what my hair looks like. So thank you so much.